Today, we've got an electrifying topic for you: DIY electric car conversions. We'll be exploring the world of electric vehicles and whether converting your gasoline-powered car into an electric one is a feasible venture. So, you're pondering the idea of converting your old gas guzzler into an electric vehicle. You're intrigued by the environmental benefits and the prospect of never having to visit a gas station again. But is it really practical? First things first, let's talk about the conversion process. Converting a gas car into an electric one involves replacing the internal combustion engine with an electric motor, installing a battery pack, and integrating the necessary control systems. It's a complex procedure that requires expertise in automotive mechanics and electrical engineering. You'll need to carefully select and source components like the electric motor, batteries, inverters, and charging systems. Plus, you'll have to modify the car's structure to accommodate the new components and optimize weight distribution. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. Converting a car to electric isn't cheap. The components alone can set you back a substantial amount, not to mention the cost of specialized tools and any professional assistance you might require. However, proponents argue that the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance could eventually offset this initial investment. On the bright side, electric vehicles are much more eco-friendly. By converting a gas car into an electric one, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener future. But here's the kicker: DIY electric car conversions require a good deal of technical know-how. If you're not an automotive or electrical expert, this might not be the DIY project for you. Safety and efficiency are paramount, and a professional conversion might be a better option. In conclusion, DIY electric car conversions can be feasible for the right person. It's an adventure that involves skill, dedication, and a love for both cars and the environment. However, it's essential to weigh the costs, technical challenges, and your own expertise before diving in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an electrifying update.